Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get an AI on Snapchat. Let us first access your Snapchat application. And once you access it, go to your profile by clicking on this option found in the upper left corner of your screen. To get an AI, you need to sign up with Snapchat Plus. And once you click it, you're gonna see the prices. And I think it's a bit overpriced. And if you want to try it, you don't have to. Because I know you're familiar with ChatGPT. And it functions all the same with that. But if you really want to try it out, you can purchase your membership from here. And when you're ready, just click this and swipe to the side and look for your My AI option. It should be pinned to the top or somewhere up here. Then from there, you can just go and chat with it. So that's how you get an AI on Snapchat. If you have any other thoughts or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.